Reading books. Is it something that your child doesn't want to do? If yes, many parents are in the same boat, because it's very easy nowadays for children to develop interest into video games, TV, mobile, but it's very difficult to develop interest in reading because this is something that they find boring. I tried few things with my son when he was 6 years old. You can also give it a try because it worked very well with him. After it worked, we tried it with few more children and it worked with them as well. First thing that we did, we chose very interesting book in which very interesting pictures were made. And we used to read the book, and as per the characters of the story, we also used to jump. My son would jump, I would jump, we would run together and play the roles of those characters, which created a lot of fun, lot of joy. He used to laugh and read. That was something which created interest in that particular book. And then we decided that every day we will have one book, small book with one small story that we used to finish every day. What I mean to say, you can choose any interesting book and role play with your child, make him laugh, make him enjoy that story by role play, and your child will develop interest into reading. Second thing that we did was, whenever we used to go to mall or some other place where something was written, in a very joyful way we used to ask, what's written there? Oh my God, hey, it's written go up, it's written staircase. And that is how he also developed the habit to see the words written there and read them. That is how he developed interest in reading those words written on different boards and different places. Third thing that we did, whenever something used to come in our house, we used to make him read wrappers. Like when we bought chocolates, we used to make him read Cadbury's, 5-star. So that particular reading of wrappers developed interest in him because he used to know that whenever new things come, there is something written on them which we can read and we can get new things. Then we did 3 more things. We developed a particular small corner in the house where we decorated few wonderful books which were very interesting with pictures and all. And then me and my husband used to sit there and read. By seeing us reading, he also used to pick up one book and started reading. Second thing that we did, we decided a time. 7:30 in the evening, we all will go to that place and start reading for 15-20 minutes only. Third thing that we did, we brought many interesting storybooks which were having lots of pictures. You know what? When children are below 6 years old, they want to follow whatever parents are doing. So it's very easy to develop habits in them. After 6 years of age also, whenever parents are doing something, children observe very keenly and then slowly develop interest in those things. We conducted a webinar also on the same topic on how to develop reading habits in your child. You can find the link in the description below. Not only this, to develop a community of parents who can help each other, who can support each other in different concerns that we are facing with children, we have created a WhatsApp group. You can join with the link in the description and post your queries whenever you have something. Yes, please don't forget to share with your friends and family members, subscribe to this channel, and also write in the comment section what was the first book that you gave your child to develop interest in reading.